So first write about solar energy. It is the energy that we get from sun. Is this clear? Very easiest way. Second, if I talk about, ध्यान से सुनना. When we talk about this is the energy which is obtained directly from the sun. Major applications of solar energy. Types हैं क्या बता रहा हूं मैं? Major applications. बताइए जरा, what are the major applications? Any one of you? Yes, major application. First is solar thermal power production. What is one? Solar thermal power production. What is another? Photo electric cells. What is another? Solar ये तीन major applications हैं through which this energy is generated. Anyone having idea what the solar thermal power production means? Yes, any one of you? Right, it means conversion of solar energy into electricity. Conversion of solar energy into electricity. Conversion of solar energy into electricity through thermal energy. Through समझ आ रहा है थर्मल एनर्जी? व्हाट इज थर्मल एनर्जी सोर्स? हीट. कहां से ऑब्टेन्ड हो सकती है? क्लियर विद दिस वन पार्ट. सेकंड पॉइंट राइट. Second point right in this. In this procedure, solar energy is first utilized to heat up. In this procedure, first solar energy is utilized to heat up. In this first solar energy is utilized to heat up a working fluid, gas, working fluid oblique gas or water. Heat up a working fluid, gas or water or any other volatile fluid or any other volatile fluid. Volatile fluid clear है? Which can easily convert into gases. Can I say which can evaporate? Is this clear? Next, right? Thus, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy through turbines. Thus, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Then, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy through turbine. समझिए बेटा इसको. टर्बाइंस लगे होते हैं, ध्यान से सुनना. लेट्स नॉट गो टू द एग्जैक्ट प्रोसेस. एक टर्बाइन लगा हुआ है which has to move. What it requires? Energy. So this heat energy is used to heat up any fluid, gas or any liquid which can volatile. Can I say it will produce steam? So when that matter will get heat up, और ये convert हो रहा है किसमें? गैस में. So there will be some energy. So जैसे ये rise करेगा, because it is lighter now, it has to rise. So what will happen to the turbine? It will begin to move. So what is happening? The same heat energy, where we have obtained this heat energy from sun, it is used to heat up fluid or any gas. That energy which is obtained will mechanically push the turbines to move. तो कौन सी energy generate की? Mechanical energy. Am I clear with this? Simple समझो ऐसे layman language में. Assume you have a tub in which there is any turbine. There is water or any gas. If you heat it up, it will evaporate. Sunlight is used to heat up. When it will heat up, source of energy is there. So this turbine which is there, what will happen to it? It will begin to move. Clear with this? Next, right? A convection generator coupled to a turbine. इस turbine के साथ क्या होता है connected? A generator. A convectional generator connected to a turbine convert mechanical energy into electric energy. Convert this mechanical energy into electric energy. ठीक है बेटा, पूरा प्रोसेस यहां देखो. Sunlight is used to heat it up. जैसे गर्म हुई, what will happen? It will make the turbine to run. This turbine is connected through generator, which will convert this mechanical into electrical energy. Is it clear? Let's move to another, solar heating systems. Right, they use solar energy to heat a fluid. Use solar energy to heat fluid, either liquid or air, then transfer solar heat directly into. फर्क देखो क्या है इसमें, फ्लूइड ले सकते हो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड और एयर. अब इसमें डिफरेंस देखना क्या है, खाली यहां पे क्या होता है, टरबाइन रन करता है, जनरेटर इसको फिर कन्वर्ट करता है फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल टू इलेक्ट्रिकल, लेकिन इसमें डायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. किसमें स्टोर कर देते हैं हम? स्टोरेजेस में. व्हाट आर स्टोरेजेस फॉर अस? एनर्जी को इसमें स्टोर कर सकते हो, बैटरीज में. आर यू गेटिंग विद दिस? सो राइट अबाउट इट. Then transfer the solar heat directly into interior spaces. Transfer solar heat into interior spaces. Interior space समझ आ रहा है? Oblique कर दो batteries. In bracket right? In bracket right, a storage system for later use, which is a storage system for later use. देखो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज आगे हम पढ़ेंगे, वन ऑफ द डिसएडवांटेज. कैन आई से इट रिक्वायर्स बैटरीज ऑल्सो एंड द कैपेसिटी ऑफ बैटरी शुड बी वेरी बिग. अगर छोटी बैटरी हुई, you will store it for shorter duration. Otherwise, what is the challenge with this? You have to use it there and then. जैसे generate की, you have to use it. But if you want to use it on a large scale, then what is required? Storage batteries. Come to the next, photoelectric cell. They are silicon-based cells. They are silicon-based cells which convert sun's energy into electricity. which converts sun energy into electricity. इसी को थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं, लिखिए पीवीसी. पीवीसी, what is this? Photovoltaic cells. What are photovoltaic cells? Silicon based cell. क्या बेटा ये? Silicon based cells. So silicon made cells. अब यहां देखो, when sun energy is passed through this cell, ध्यान से सुनना, when solar or sun energy is passed through this silicon cell, लिख दूं और शीट, बेसिकली है क्या है, सिलिकॉन शीट्स ही तो है. कैन आई से electrons will get excited? If you provide to any atom to if you provide heat to any atom, what will happen? It will get ionized, it will start jumping. So what will happen here? Electrons will move in a specific direction. मूवमेंट ऑफ उन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या है? करंट. और ये करंट क्या है? डायरेक्ट करंट. व्हाट इज दिस? डायरेक्ट करंट. बस ये याद रख लेना. समझ आ रहा है? ये था टेक का पार्ट. सिलिकॉन बेस्ड है, सनलाइट विल फॉल ऑन इट, electron will move in a certain direction. If they will move in a certain direction, what will happen? A current will be there. What is movement of energy? Current. And what type of current is it? Direct current. Is this clear? Now let's move to another part, advantages and disadvantages. लिखो जरा, मैं कुछ advantages बता देता हूँ. Solar energy is truly renewable source. पहला लिखो, it is truly renewable source. short लिखते हैं, truly renewable source. Next, can be harnessed in almost all areas of the world. Can be harnessed almost in all areas of the world and is available every day. And is available in every day. Next लिखो, in tropical belts it has an advantage. In tropical belts it has an advantage. In tropical belts it has an advantage of receiving peak solar radiation, for around 300 days. For around 300 days. For around 300 days, which amounts to around 2000 to, ये दो हैं,
नहीं पहले ही प्रिंट हो गया,
दे दो
बस एक ही मिस्टेक है,
ऑप्शन कोई बात नहीं, दे दो तो कर लेंगे. ठीक. Which amounts to around 2300 to 3000 hours. Which amounts to around 2300 to 3000 hours of sunshine which is equivalent to above 5000, which is equivalent to about 5000 trillion kilowatt hour. Trillion kilowatt hour. ठीक है, पूरी दुनिया में मिलती है, लेकिन ट्रॉपिक्स को क्यों है सबसे ज्यादा एडवांटेज? Sun rays are direct over. And second thing, if you talk about over the tropics, we have some hot deserts where transparency of the atmosphere is very high. Is this clear? Lesney high. ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है ये? कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट लिखो हाई एनर्जी यील्ड. हाई एनर्जी यील्ड. Yield, right? It has ability to live grid free. It has ability to live grid free. It has ability to live grid free. If all power generated provides enough for, if all power generated provides enough for home oblique buildings. ठीक है, कितने हो गए एडवांटेज? 3 अभी तक, 4 हो गए. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट. It is pollution free and causes no greenhouse gases. It is pollution free and causes no greenhouse gases after installation. After installation. बेटा ध्यान से सुना, why I use word after installation. Before it is installed, it releases emissions, but not directly. किसके लिए? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस में बहुत सारी केमिकल्स यूज होते हैं. इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ दिस, इज इट क्लियर? जो आप ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में इमिशंस हो रहे हैं, सो दे आर रिलीजिंग व्हाट यू कॉल दिस, पोल्यूटेंट्स. बट आफ्टर इंस्टॉलेशन, वंस वी स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट, इट इज कंप्लीटली फ्री फ्रॉम पोल्यूशन. ध्यान से सुनना, when we say before installation, it is not this sector while it is operative will release the pollutants. It is saying बनने में, panels को बनने में, silicon को बनने में, sheets को. So is it polluting directly or indirectly? Indirectly. That to be after installation or before installation? Before installation. Is this clear? Next, right? It involves low running cost. It involves low running cost and grid tie-up capital returns, and grid tie-up capital returns. Grid tie-up, it means connected to grids. Capital returns, grid से tie-up करके कैसे पता लगेगा? When there is net metering, in bracket right, net metering. Next slide. The equipments used in it have longer life. The equipments used in it have longer life and has low maintenance cost. And has low maintenance cost. Thus provides high energy infrastructure. Thus provides high energy infrastructure. समझ आ रहा है? ऐसे लिखो, हाई एनर्जी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सिक्योरिटी. हाई एनर्जी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सिक्योरिटी. बेटा ध्यान से सुनना, किसी भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में अगर मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली हो और बहुत ज्यादा हो, it is not sustainable. So as in this, maintenance cost is very low. It's not there is no maintenance cost, it is low. Thus it provides a sustainable infrastructural society. तो ये equipments को मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए जो emission होता है, that release pollutant, but not after installed. Hope it is clear. Come to the next disadvantages. First, right, solar energy storage is expensive. Solar energy storage is expensive. समझ आ रहा है? देखो क्या है, generally we have to utilize the solar energy there and then, but if we want to use it for later use, what we require? Batteries, and they are very expensive. एक लाइन में लिख लीजिएगा इसका. This energy has to be used right away. This energy has to be used right away or can be stored and can be stored in large batteries for later use, or can be stored in large batteries for later use. अब क्या होगा इसमें? These batteries can be charged during the day and can be used by night. Is this clear? So right, these batteries can be charged during the day, but कौन सी batteries है? Which are connected to grid or off grid? Off grid. Bracket में लिख लो off grid. These batteries can be charged during the day, in bracket write off grid. So the energy can be used in night. So the energy can be used in night. But this is quite expensive. This is quite expensive. Can I say technology is required to cut down the expenses? Next, right? Thank you, Deepa. It uses lot of space. Second disadvantage, right? It uses lot of space. Right? For generation of more electricity, more solar panels are needed. More solar panels are needed. More solar panels are needed so as to collect more sunlight. So as to collect more sunlight. However, solar power panel require a lot of space. However, solar power panel require a lot of space, and some roofs are not big enough. Some roofs are not big enough to fit the number of solar panels. Some roofs are not big enough to fit the solar panels as required. ठीक है बेटा? Am I clear with this? जैसे आज की डेट में अगर आप देखो फ्लोटिंग सोलर पावर प्लांट्स भी आ गए हैं, स्पेशली इन द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया along these lagoons, backwaters. Is it clear? Now, हमारे घरों पे जो हम जनरली जनरेट करते हैं, देयर इज अ लिमिटेड स्पेस. अब देखो छोटे छोटे होंगे, होटल्स में देखो that space is not, rooftops are not utilized, so they can use it, but again it has some limitations. Am I clear? Come to the next part, another part. इसी में लिखो associated with pollution. Associated with pollution. Although pollution is far less compared, although the pollution is far less as compared to other sources of energy, full stop. Transportation and installation of solar systems, transportation and installation of solar equipment systems have been associated with emission of greenhouse gases. Have been associated with emission of greenhouse gases. ये समझ आ रहा है बेटा? Next, right? There are also some toxic material and hazardous products. There is also some toxic material and hazardous products. There is also some toxic material and hazardous products used during the manufacturing process. Used during the manufacturing process of solar photovoltaic system, of solar photovoltaic system which can affect the environment indirectly, which can affect the environment indirectly. Affect the environment directly. ठीक है बेटा? Sorry, not directly, indirectly. Is it clear? Pollution समझ आ रहा है?
Sir, import of raw material भी disadvantage.
ऑब्वियसली हाँ, जैसे चाइना से हम ले रहे हैं, मैंने कहा था ना इसका कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गया है बिकॉज वी आर इंपोर्टिंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग फ्रॉम चाइना. यस, ऑब्वियसली ई वेस्ट जनरेट हो सकता है, बट अगेन द टेक्नोलॉजी जनरेट रिक्वायर्ड टू डंप दैट ई वेस्ट. व्हाट वी डिस्कस हियर नाउ थिंग्स, एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेजेस, ये हो गया, दिस हो गया, दिस एंड दिस. अब क्या करंट सिनेरियो. देखो इस करंट सिनेरियो को आप दोबारा उठा सकते हो. किसका पढ़ना करंट सिनेरियो, वर्ल्ड का कि इंडिया का? इंडिया का. फर्स्ट टाइम यू कैन यूटिलाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट और दिस स्टेटमेंट. इंडिया बीइंग इन द ट्रॉपिकल बेल्ट हैज, इज दिस क्लियर, gets regular sun rays or optimum sun rays at least for 300 days, which is equivalent to this 5000 trillion kilowatt per hour. So this is one of the benefit of it. Is just depending on that, it means the energy can be here harnessed. यहाँ तक clear है? Now मैं करंट सिनेरियो बता दूं. कैन यू जस्ट पास अवे दी शीट्स गाइस. थोड़ा बहुत इकोनॉमी से करंट कर लेना. इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस है ना, अभी इंडिया में ही हुआ था ये. इज इट क्लियर? सो थोड़ा बहुत देख लेना. व्हाट इज द इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस, व्हिच आर द मेंबर कंट्रीज. इंडिया में जो हुआ था, हु एक्ट एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ, चेयरमैन इसका कौन एग्जिट करता है? द मिनिस्टर ऑफ दैट कंसर्न्ड मिनिस्ट्री, दैट मींस मिनिस्टर ऑफ new and renewable energy. Let's now first talk about here, right? Solar power in India is a fast developing industry. Points में लिखना फटाफट. It is a fast growing industry. क्या कहते हैं ऐसी इंडस्ट्रीज को जो फास्ट ग्रो रही है and which has a very high potential to grow in future? Sunrise sectors, right? The country's solar install capacity, countries अब बेटा एक चीज देखो, सोलर इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी इज इंक्रीज्ड इन इंडिया. हम इसको कंपेयर करेंगे. इफ आई से 2014 में कितना था, राइट? इन 2014 इट वाज 2.82 गीगावाट. कितना था? 2.82 गीगावाट. नेक्स्ट राइट हियर 2021 44.3 गीगावाट. चलो डायरेक्टली आ जाते हैं 2023 पे. ये डेटा कब तक का है? दिसंबर 2023. सो राइट, इट इज 73.32 गीगावाट. as December 2023. Is this clear guys? समझ आ रहा है? 73.2 कर दो या 32 कर दो, कुछ भी याद कर लो. 70, बस इतना भी याद रख लोगे कि 73 गीगावाट इट विल बी सफिशिएंट. अब ये तो गया कंपैरिजन में, हाँ भाई इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी बढ़ रही है, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर this one. Is this clear? Come to the next part. The government has set up a target. The government has set up a target. Government has set up a target of installing 100 gigawatt of solar capacity. 100 gigawatt of solar capacity by the year 2022. कितना टारगेट लिया था? 100 गीगावाट. कितना हमारे पास अभी? 73. So it fall short. Is this clear? Now we are projecting that by 2026 we will achieve it. समझ आ रहा है ये? Is this clear? लेकिन किया कितना था हमें? Hope you will be able to link it. समझ आ रहा है ये? Next point, right? A target of installing 175 gigawatt. दूसरा क्या था गवर्नमेंट का? Target of installing 175 gigawatt of energy through renewable sources. एक टारगेट क्या लिया गवर्नमेंट ने? That we will install capacity कितनी बनानी है renewable energy की? 175 gigawatt by the year 2022, which includes 2022. क्या ये एक ही रिन्यूएबल सोर्स है? नो. विच इंक्लूड्स सोलर से कितना दिया था टारगेट? 100 गीगावाट. लेकिन कितना बनाया? 73. Am I clear with this? सेकेंड लिखो विंड. In wind, right? 60 gigawatt from wind, 10 from biopower, 10 gigawatt from biopower, and last, right, 5 gigawatt from small hydropower. 5 gigawatt from wind का हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं. Is it clear? Come to the next part. India's intended nationally determined contributions. इनको कहते हो IND. Hope it is clear. India's intended nationally determined contributions. Commitment include, just a repetition. Commitment include 100 gigawatt of solar power, 100 gigawatt of solar power out of 170 gigawatt, out of 175 gigawatt renewable energy by 2022. यहां देखो इसमें हुआ क्या, कितना कहा था? ये रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में लिख रहा हूं. 100 गीगावाट किससे देना बेटा? सोलर से. देखो however this target was missed. Is it clear? Right, with only approx 63.3 gigawatt generated. 63.3 gigawatt generated. Change the paragraph. Rooftop solar energy generation was 11 gigawatt. Rooftop solar energy generation was 11 gigawatt. So it falls short of 40 gigawatts. कितना approximately short हुआ? 40 gigawatts. Is it clear? Next लिखिए, the sector has immense potential to generate new jobs. Sector has immense potential to generate immense potential to generate, can I say employment, new jobs. But जब भी ये new jobs लिखते हो ना, substantiate it with data, right? For example, 1 gigawatt of solar manufacturing facility, 1 gigawatt of solar manufacturing facility generate 4,000 jobs, generate 4,000 jobs directly and indirectly. 4,000 jobs directly and indirectly. Hope it is clear. अब next लिखो इस साल का. Right, about 741 megawatt capacity has been installed. 2023. About 743 megawatt, 743 1 कर दो, 741 megawatt, 741 megawatt, around 741 megawatt capacity has been installed under the grid connected rooftop solar program, under grid rooftop solar panel by the November 2023. Sorry, ऐसे लिखो, during the January to November 2023. Grid rooftop solar program लिख देते हैं बेटर. ये कब से स्टार्ट हुआ था? जनवरी टू नवंबर. अभी तक का इतना ही डेटा आया, आगे कुछ आएगा तो यू कैन ऐड इट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, राइट. An additional approximate of 2.77 gigawatt, approximately of 2.77 gigawatt capacity has been installed in all the sectors with or without central assistant or central finance assistant, with or without central financial assistance. Let's come to the another very important, right? The scheme for development of solar parks and ultra mega parks. Solar parks or ultra mega solar parks. Right, the scheme for development of solar parks and ultra mega solar power projects. Ultra mega solar power projects लिख दो, पार्क भी लिख सकते हो, सोलर पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स. ये पूरी स्कीम का नाम है. द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोलर पार्क्स एंड द अल्ट्रा मेगा सोलर पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स was rolled out in December 2014. कब हुई थी रोल्ड आउट? In December 2014, इसी की अचीवमेंट्स पढ़नी है क्या हुआ। Was rolled out in December 2014 with aggregate capacity of 20,000 megawatt. कितना कहा गया था लॉन्च करेंगे? Aggregate capacity of 20,000 मेगावाट। इसको बस समझने के लिए समझना कि कंपैरिजन कैसे कर रहे हैं हम। whereas the capacity of solar park scheme was enhanced to 40,000 megawatt to 40,000 megawatt in 2017। क्या मतलब है 2017 में अचीव हो जाएगा? नो, 2017 में क्या कहा गया? अब 20 नहीं, हाउ मच विल बी दिस? 40,000 बाय 2025-26, बाय द ईयर 2025-26। फ्यूचर क्या है? पूछता ना आपसे क्वेश्चन, present status and the future. Can I say if this is all achieved, we are moving towards a clean energy? समझ आ रहा है? Come to the next part. Next, right, India is expected to be 8% of global solar capacity. India is expected to be 8% of global solar capacity by the year 2035. By the year 2035. Next लिखिए, right, India's INDCs will be achieved by 2030. कब तक अचीव हो जाएंगे? By 2030। ये गवर्नमेंट का प्रपोज्ड है नया। नेक्स्ट लिखिए, राइट, इन शेयर ऑफ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऐसे लिखो, द शेयर ऑफ fossil based, non-fossil based, the share of non-fossil based capacity is likely to increase ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये एसए में भी डाल सकते हो आप कहीं। द शेयर ऑफ नॉन फॉसिल बेस कैपेसिटी is expected to increase by 57.4% by the end of year 2026-27। Is it clear? Next point लिखिए, and it is likely to further increase 68.4%, 68.4% by the end of 2031-32। by the end of 2031-32। लास्ट लिखिए, the share of non-fossil fuel based gross generation in 2026-27 2026-27 2026-27 is expected to be 39%, is expected to be 39%, and 31-32 by 49%. Is it clear? ये इस बार गवर्नमेंट ने अपनी रिपोर्ट में दिया है. पूछता है ना प्रेजेंट सिनेरियोज एंड द फ्यूचर. Why there is a need for the renewable sources of energy? What are the achievements? ये आपको याद रखने हैं. एक लास्ट ले लो. To reduce emission intensity, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? To reduce emission intensity of the GDP by about a third. To reduce emission intensity of the GDP by about a third. Can I say it will help to reduce the carbon sink also? Last लिखो. India has promised an additional carbon sink. Hope you are clear with carbon sink, to absorb carbon from the atmosphere. Additional carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion tons by the year. Yes, we'll go 2.5 to 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent through additional forest and tree cover. Can I call it afforestry? Forest cover or tree cover by 2030. इसके अलावा इंडिया ने कहा हम ये भी करेंगे, because when you will cover this much area under forest, what will be carbon sink increasing. तो इसका मतलब जितना टोटल जीडीपी के प्रोडक्शन में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हो रहा था, how we will capture that from afforestation, and how we will try to increase that by generating this much of energy by नॉन फॉसिल बेस्ड. ठीक है. अब इसमें आपका एक टॉपिक है, कल वाटर का वो कर लेंगे, और बिट अबाउट पेट्रोलियम्स. दैट विल बी ओवर.